Hello kids, this is Faiz and we will learn today noun or naming words. We include four people, places, animals, and things in nouns. We will see what actually the naming word is. Naming word means person, place, thing, or animal which has a name. So we use beside a noun another word for these things, a naming word. Noun is a word which tells us about the name of person, of some place, of something, or some animal. This as a doctor. So noun, these are the names: teacher, policeman, engineer, artist, scientist, mechanics, and every profession beside these, which I have enumerated here. These are the people, persons. Everyone has had a name. So name of persons or professions are nouns. These are the things which you are seeing on the screen: the gaming tools, the reading books, vehicles, animal vehicles, eateries, chocolate, soup, tea, milk, cakes, cereal, honey, bread. These are the name of things, eateries. So eateries which you found in a bakery or at your home, you cook or you buy them, these are the names. These are the nouns. Every game which you play has had a name, so it is a noun. House appliances which you use, which you see at your home, these are the things. So we say them noun because we call them with a specific name. Everything which has a name is a noun. These are the places which you visit, or the historical places, or the places of worship, historical place, mountains, places which you like to visit. These places have had some name. So places are noun. Places of worship, places of recreation, historical places, all of these are nouns. These are the animals. Animals you find in jungle. The pet animal which are found in houses. Kitten, chicken, fox, and the animals which you see daily. The animals found in seas. Giraffe, which you found in zoo. These are the animals, and the names of these animals. Every animal is a noun. So we found that names of person, places, things, or animals are noun. We know noun with another name, that is naming word, through which you name some person, some place, something, or animal. So for today, we will say goodbye. We will meet again, inshallah, with another lecture. Assalamu alaikum.